guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For today's video, we're gonna be trying on another palette from Perfect Diary. Now, if you haven't seen my first video, go check it out. For this video, we're gonna be doing a different palette, and this is a collaboration from Perfect Diary and Discovery. That's why it says Discovery here on the bottom. I also have a discount code for you guys that you can use on the official website of Perfect Diary. Use code DULCEBELLA as you check out in the site. I already did my base makeup. I'm just going to do my eyebrows and start with the eye makeup. Brow pencil. It's time for the palette. I use the shade Pause. Just putting that in the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to go even more the dome brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Ears. I'm just going to pack that in the outer half of my eyelid. And I'm going with a circular motion again, bringing it all the way in, just halfway though. I'll do the other eye off camera. Now we're gonna bring that shade on the lower lash line. I'm gonna be taking the shade Silver Vine, the darkest brown that we have in the palette. Be using the thinnest part of the eye brush to pack that on here on the wing of the eye. I created a wing. I'm gonna bring it to the lower lash line. Now I have done the other eye. I'm using the thickest part of the brush. Just gonna start to blend that out. With the shade Dry Fruit and Ears, I'm going to use the thinner part of the brush to my lower lash line. In the inner half of my eyelid, I'm gonna put some concealer, cut the crease. This is how we're looking like, rock and roll right here. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. For the middle part of the eye, teaser. I'm gonna go with the shade Scratcher and put that right in the middle between the shade we put just now in the middle and the dark brown. I'm gonna go with the shade Dried Fish. It's a silvery shimmer shade. There's a little bit of glitter under my eyelids. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the NICHIDO. Let's move on to lips. It's like a travel size. Just gonna use a nude liner. Now it's time to contour. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara. I'll be right back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? We have come to the end of the video, but I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts. The palette is really cute. I really like all the shades. I like the packaging. It's to die for. It has really nice neutrals, so you can use for like everyday or like going to the mall, or like a simple eye look. Not this, but a simple eye look. And yeah, you can also create a glam look, like for special events. You can build the pigment up to which point you would like it to be dark enough or colorful enough. You know, they're really easy to work with as well. So I love this palette. And next we have the very cute lipstick. There's several shades in the website. You can check it out if you don't want a red one. It's very comfortable, very soft, and it spreads out very smoothly. There's several shades in the website. You can check it out if you don't want a red one. We have a amino acid facial cleanser. I'm gonna be using this later. And it also had a lash curler, one of these, but I decided to give it to my mother, so I won't be able to tell you anything on that. This has been the second part of my Perfect Diary review. I will be doing a third part, so stay tuned. So I guess that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and as well as share this video to your friends if you want to support me. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching once again. I will link all of my social media accounts as well as the official site of Perfect Diary in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!